Plantation agriculture. In this module, you will learn about plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture refers to the cultivation of cash crops on a large scale, mostly in tropical regions. Plantation agriculture is a specialized economic activity which involves the growing and processing of a single cash crop solely for the purpose of sale in the market. These cash crops are grown on large estates or plantations. Plantation is done manually, especially by tilling, planting, and harvesting crops. Machines are used only to break and prepare the soil or to transport product. Plantation agriculture began during the colonial period. Later, during the Industrial Revolution, Western Europe required tropical and subtropical agricultural goods as raw material on a large scale for their factories. In this way, the Europeans began setting up plantations in their colonies. In the 19th century, plantation agriculture was introduced by the British in India. Plantations were restricted in narrow areas of the tropics along the seacoast and areas that were served by railways, roads, or navigable rivers. The plantation crops that are cultivated mainly in India are rubber, tea, coffee, spices, coconuts, and bananas. Plantation agriculture is mainly practiced in the Nilgiris, Annamalai Hills, and Cardamom Hills in South India, Assam, and sub-Himalayan area in West Bengal. Plantation agriculture has a number of characteristic features. The sole purpose of plantation agriculture is to produce high yields, high quality, and large output, most of which is exported. Plantation agriculture requires huge capital. The farms are large and situated in thinly populated areas in the tropical and subtropical regions. The success of plantations depends on the exploitation of cheap labor. Labor is brought from different places, and they are provided with living accommodations, food, educational and medical facilities. Earlier, the technical and managerial staff of the plantation used to be from the European countries, but now Indians are employed. Almost all the crops produced in the plantations are processed before they are sent for sale in the market. Farming is done with specialized skill and wherever possible with the application of machinery and fertilizers. Annual crops are less fitted for such agriculture than perennial trees and bushes like rubber and tea, as they provide better output. The other most important factor in the progress of plantation agriculture are accessibility, availability of labor, difficulties in clearing vegetation, plant diseases, loss of soil fertility, and government policies. Mostly all plantations accommodate labor colonies. The workers live in pakka houses. They are also provided with other amenities such as roads, parks, schools, marketplace, primary health centers, and small cinema houses. In some areas, workers are also provided with small plots of land to grow food crops or vegetables to be used for their families. Let us now recap all the important points that we have covered in this module on plantation agriculture.